Understanding, in a state of shock, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, in a state of shock. This expression is widely used in both everyday conversations and in more formal contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, in a state of shock, refers to a condition someone might be in after experiencing something unexpected, surprising, or traumatic. It's not just about being surprised. It's a deeper, often emotional response to something that is hard to believe or comprehend. When someone is in this state, they might feel numb, disoriented, or unable to think clearly because the event has overwhelmed their ability to cope or understand what's happened. To help you understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. After hearing the news of the sudden loss of her friend, she was in a state of shock. The community was in a state of shock following the unexpected natural disaster. He stood there, in a state of shock, unable to move or speak after the accident. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different situations where people experience strong emotional reactions to unforeseen or dramatic events. Now, let's practice using the phrase in sentences. Remember, it's important to convey the sense of being deeply affected by something unexpected. The news left me in a state of shock. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. Finding herself in a state of shock, she needed time to process everything that had happened. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to fit different subjects and scenarios, making it a versatile expression for describing a wide range of emotional experiences. In a state of shock is a powerful expression that captures a complex emotional response to surprising or traumatic events. By understanding and using this phrase, you can express deep emotional states more accurately in English. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find it easier to express yourself in English in all kinds of situations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.